Tired of low efficiency and high labor costs in rubber baling? Zhanjiang Weida Machinery's automatic boxing packing machine. A patented R&D product of Weida, counterfeiting is prohibited. Integrates robotic arm loading and hydraulic baling, automatically picks up rubber blocks and feeds them precisely. Compared with manual operation, it cuts 1-2 workstations, reduces labor costs by 50%, and boosts production capacity by over 50%. Compact column-type design, stable performance, and easy to upgrade existing balers. Ideal for natural, reclaimed and synthetic rubber. Choose Weida. Boost your efficiency. Zhanjiang Weida Machinery. 20+ years of professional natural rubber processing equipment manufacturing. Continuous innovation, always leading the industry.